First of all, the interesting thing of the China model is that it adapts to the situation of the time. So, in a way, some of them may be correct to say that that was the end of the China model, but they did not predict that China would introduce a new model of development that would continue to give the country a very good, reasonable growth. So we should think of China model as a series of models that take into consideration the situation of the time, domestic, international, and adapt with the goal to continue a certain level of growth. So we analysts, we should not talk about China model, but rather a evolving Chinese model, almost like a Darwinian that adapts itself to the challenges of the time. Then, of course, if you refer to the heydays when Chinese growth was 9-10% and even more, those are gone. But let's not forget that even a 4 or 5% growth for the future out of a higher base, it is even larger in money terms than a 10% growth of 15 years ago when the base was much lower. And it is a natural economic process. The growth rate do not stay at double digit or high single digit, but subsidized to middle single digit. So in my view, a growth of 4-5% for the next 5 years for China would be very, very good.